Uh, Welcome back to our cleaning process of the linen. Again, we are back in our class. Now, today our topic is we'll use two chemicals. That is, first is the how to blue the uniform and linen, and how to do the starching of the two ingredients we'll use today to just cleaning. After cleaning process is done, we'll do one cloth will do the starching and one cloth will do the bluing. See how the bluing is done. First, the blue, just we'll open the cap of this bottle like this. Then we'll put, see, drop by drop we'll put 1 drop, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But 12 drop of like we have put it in the water, plain water. Then after that we'll just close this lid and we'll keep aside. Then after that we'll mix with our hand like this, so that the water, so the blue is mixed properly with the water. Then see, now it is properly mixed all together. See, now the color of the water is, see, blue color, light blue color. Okay, if you want to add some dark blue, you can put more 5 or 6 drop of ujala out here. Okay, now see, I am using the blue with the towel. I am putting the towel out here. See, the color of the towel is white out here. I want little bluish color of this towel. I put a towel out here like this way, and will soak for a 1 or 2 seconds out here. See, this is the process. Then I will remove this. See, the now color changes to a light blue color. Okay. Okay. Then after that, we'll keep for a drying matter. I put the second towel out here. See, the color of the towel is white color. I put out here. Again, it will become light blue. Then I will little bit of this I will do. This is the second process. Now I will add the second. I will do the starching of this small white sheet. This is a white sheet. We'll do the starching of this. For that, in a plain water, we'll put 2 drop, that is a tablespoon of that is the starch out here. 1 spoon and 2 spoon. That is all about the what I have put it in the water. Starch is put it in the plain water. Then I put a side of this like this. Then after that, we'll mix with the hand properly, so that the starch work properly. Then after that, the white cloth we put like this in the water, so that the starch I will leave it for a 20 seconds. The starching is completed. Then I will remove this cloth like this. Okay. Then I will put the cloth, the bluing cloth, and the both will put in the dryer. Okay, student, we will start with the drying method. See, we have washed the cloth. We'll put the cloth one by one like this way. First cloth like this. Then the second one, the blue one, which we have done the bluing process. The second one like this, and the third one like this. Then this is a lid. We have to put like this, so that the should rotate properly. Then we close the second lid. Then we will close this one. Then we will start with the process. See, I am giving the timer of 2 minutes. See how is it rotating. This is the process is called a drying method. In this tumbler, the cloth is generally dried out here. Okay, we will wait for 2 minutes. Then we will see how this what are the. Now the cloth is already been dried, because the butter has already reached to a 0, means 2 minutes already been crossed for drying the cloth. Okay, then see, we will open the lid of first lid, then we will open the second lid, then we will remove the cover like this, and then we will see how it look like. See, this one is fully dried out. Okay, again we will give like maybe for 10 to 15 minutes in sun, then your bed sheet and the towel is ready for use. Then we will go for the ironing purpose. See, in the towel we don't have to do the ironing, but in the bed sheet or maybe in the uniform we have to do the ironing. Then our next class, next practical we will do how to do the ironing of the bed sheet process. Okay, thank you student.